Now, can I make a dishonorable mention this evening? Yeah, man. Dishonorable mention of the Jamaica Tallawahs. Yes. What a worthless set. After huffing and puffing so early in the tournament, the Tallawahs were kicked out of the tournament after losing back-to-back games to the Amazon Warriors. And look, the Tallawahs lost 6 of their 10 games, and they committed the cardinal sin of being bowled out not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 4 times. The Tallawahs failed to bat out the 20 overs. That is downright disgraceful. And watch this. The Tallawahs moved from posting 250 plus in their first game, their highest in CPL history. They made 200 again and were then bowled out 4 times for the rest of the season. That is not just the epitome of inconsistency. It is obvious the batsmen played hit and miss cricket. They had no real plan or strategy. It was either blocking, 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 or swiping, swiping, swiping. And to cap it all off, they had a captain who can neither bat nor captain. In fact, I think Ravman Powell is a worse batsman than he is a captain. And he's an awful captain. As for Floyd Reefer, the Tallawahs coach, where am I there? What is Floyd Reefer doing here? You hear me? The Jamaica Tallawahs need refurbishing. Please and thanks.